Praise be the incarnate Word. Welcome back to the CCVI Virtual Campus. My name is Hilda Sakur, member of the CCVI Schools Education Team in Mexico. As we all know, keeping students fascinated and ready to learn is not a small task. If we fail to engage students at the start, we may never get them back. Sometimes I compare engaging students to driving in heavy rain. It is essentially difficult to drive behind a truck when you can see anything ahead of you. Yet, if we get past the truck, our vision of the road is clearer. Students need a clear view of the roadmap that they are expected to follow. Inform them of the outcomes for each lesson at the beginning, making sure that they understand what you intend to teach them. Essential questions and driving questions are like road signs, providing reminders of how current content connects to the final destination, and to let them know the progress and the distance left to travel. If a lesson does not start off strong by activating prior knowledge, creating anticipation, or establishing goals, students' interest decreases, and you have to do some heavy lifting to get them back. Learning happens when we connect concepts with practical applications. Understanding also happens through reflection on and revision of creative writing, or prototypes that demonstrate the target skill and concepts. How about engaging students in a professional dialogue with experts in the field? Parents, friends, and colleagues either have expertise or know the right people who can talk to or not to the students. Professional dialogue is authentic practice that provides context for the subject-based skills. Often, a guest will say something that the teacher has already said many times, yet now the students embrace the idea because it came from that outside person. Professional dialogue is not the guest talking at the learners. Instead, the conversation is a give and take. Students recognize when they are included as contributors. Or challenge students to solve a problem, design for a need, or explore their own questions. Give students real-world challenge to solve. The experience may be a single activity, a collection of lessons, or an entire unit. Discover in science, math, games, and other areas happens through trial and error. Opportunities to apply concepts in practical ways are important to learning. Reflecting on successes and mistakes is where growth occurs. Speaking and sparking new ideas and innovations. The processes take time in the short term, but if sustained learning is key, then the long journey to the destination outcomes is worth the effort. Otherwise, students see the work as a checklist to be completed and forgotten. Relevance also matters. In the professional arena, students need to know why the content is worth taking the trip to accomplish the task. When starting a unit, launching an event can help students make an emotional connection to the major themes and concepts to be explored. This fifth lesson will include an exercise that will offer strategies and advice for keeping our students engaged in learning, and also will provide some advices on how to connect skills and concepts to students' interests. Let's start.